Oh my God. Oh my God. So you guys, I am taking down my old braids from just a while ago, and I've been wearing wigs on top of them, so it was time for them to come out. But I wanted to do something I think is crazy. A lot of women may not think it's crazy, but I think it's crazy. I am going to cut my baby hair. Moved y'all a little bit. So when I say cut my baby hair, you know how when you wear a frontal or like a lace front wig, you have like the baby hair, like the dramatic, the dramatic baby hair everybody been doing, that you curl with the little curling iron and you kind of swoop. I think that is so cute, and I haven't been able to achieve that with my wigs yet. Like, I can't get my wigs to look like that. If y'all know what I'm talking about, when I install my wig, it just looks like a regular closure wig. I can never get my baby hair to look like that, like bomb, like. But anyway, besides that, I wanted to see how that looked on my own hair. And of course, I tried making baby hairs, like the little swoops. You know how you used to do it, where you just drag it like that, and it's kind of like not really baby hair, it's kind of like that. I want to do the baby hair to where you like pull it down and then like curl it. It's literally like hair that's short, and you like curl it and make baby hair. So I'm gonna do something a little drastic. Now, I've shaved my baby hair before. I've shaved, like, I have a low hairline. And like this little piece right here, like I've shaved that before and it always grows back. I like to shave it because it gives me more room to wear my lace wigs, you know what I'm saying? With a low forehead, I can't wear my lace wigs down here. So I shave it to kind of give me more space. But I'm like, I want to like do some dramatic baby hair. My baby hair is already short, a little bit in the front, but I wanted to like bring it down. Oh my God, my hair looks a hot mess, y'all. Bring down, cause see, I've been like, I'm thinning right here, y'all. I need to stop using those wig combs. But I wanted to bring my baby hair down and like cut it. I hope it doesn't make me look bald. Oh my gosh. I've only seen a few girls do it on YouTube that have videos of it, but I'm gonna try it, y'all, and hopefully I don't destroy my hair. When I really destroy it, I hope it doesn't look absolutely crazy when I'm done. So let me finish taking this out, and I'm gonna put my hair in a ponytail, and let's see if we can cut these baby hairs to make them cute and lay them like a frontal. Y'all stay tuned. All right, so I'm going to insert a picture of a girl's video that I saw on YouTube right here. And that was like confirmation because I was thinking about doing this anyway. Oh, Lord. Okay, so what I did, my hair is dirty. It's curly. It needs to be washed. The only thing I'm nervous about, I had to take so much hair. Like when I slick my ponytails up will the short hair still lay? Like, will the part that I cut still lay down? Oh, Lord. Okay, so she said, take quite a bit from around your, like, I'm nervous about this being a straight line. Like, will that look funny? You know what I'm saying? Because I like long, dramatic, curly hair by the ear. Y'all know when you swoop it, the baby hair by the ear, like going this way. And basically, I just have to cut it at an angle. So I'm going to take this front piece because I want to be able to curl it. The reason why I'm taking so much because I want to be able to curl it, like with my mini flat iron, curl it and like do that kind of bendy thing, y'all know. And I'm not taking, so I have a natural like widow's peak right here. I'm not going to take hair in here. I'm going to start after it. because I want this to be like low and then this to be like empty and then the baby hair to come from there. Oh Lord Jesus. How long should I cut it, y'all? Ah! Okay. Like, girl, like, stop. All right, so cut it. Lord, will it still lay? All right, let's see. I'm gonna be looking in my mirror, y'all. Oh. When you hear that crunch, the crunch of the scissors cutting the hair. Okay, it's thin anyway. Shoot. All right. Oh, it's thicker. Okay, it's just a trim. It's just a trim. Oh my gosh. I don't see how women be shaving their head. Like, I can't, I'm sweating. Why do I have this robe on? I'm sweating right now. It's gonna look like I ain't got nothing on. Oh my goodness. And it's not even a lot of hair. Like, what am I tripping for? It's just hair, y'all. All right, so I'm gonna try to take the equal amount. It's a little thinner over here. I'm gonna try to take the equal amount of hair. I think this side is higher. On this side, like I did with that side. Everybody has that one side of their head that's a little bit thinner than the other side. And sorry if the quality is like grainy, y'all. I should have turned my camera around. Okay, is that better? Is that less grainy? I can barely see myself. I don't have a lot of hair on this side. Oh. All right, let's just do it. Do it like a Band-Aid, just cut it. Y'all, I'm acting like I'm like shaving my head. Like, it is not even that serious. Chill out. All right. I did it like right according to my eyebrow. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Last piece, y'all. Last piece. I hope I did it evenly. Woo! So as you can see, this side had a lot more thickness to it versus this side. I hope you can see it. This side and this side. Y'all, why? When you get bored with your hair, you think about crazy stuff. Okay, so my hair is not washed, like I said, so it's kind of curly and like dirty right now, but y'all don't judge me. I will probably relax it after this. I am relaxed. I haven't had a relaxer in a long time though, but I'll probably relax it after this just to kind of see what these baby hairs are looking like. Actually, no, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get my mini curling iron and I'm gonna put some edge control on it and see how it came out. Lord, help it to look right. All right, so I got my little mini flat iron heating up. I've had this thing for a long time, but it still works really good. So let me see how this looks, what I done to my hair. Lord Jesus. No, I didn't just use the back of a edge brush to comb. All right, let's see. Now, I don't know, do they normally curl it under? I think they do. Whoa, that's a lot of hair. Maybe I shouldn't have used that much. I mean, my hair was short anyway. Y'all. Dang, this thing is hot. Okay, so a flat iron pretty good. This side is definitely shorter. Ooh, this thing is hot. It's probably from the smoke because my hair is so dirty. I think I left out too much hair on the other side. I don't think all that hair was necessary. Because that is a lot. Is it looking cute already? What y'all think? Ooh, I keep flinching. Okay, so I still think this is too long. I think it's too long. Let me see. Because them hairs don't be that long. Okay, so I'm taking a little bit of my edge control. I don't know if I should do it on a brush or on my hand. Let's see. Yeah, that is a lot. I don't need that much. Okay, I think I'm gonna cut this a little shorter. No, let me not mess up my hair. Let me stop. Cause I'll get scissor happy and end up doing it way too short. Yeah, that is too much. That is too much hair. I think I curled this the wrong way. All right, let's see how this side. I don't know if I should brush the tail of this up in the hair. What y'all think? Oh, that has a nice, nice cut to it. Yeah, too much hair on this side. Woo! What y'all think? Lord. I think I need to cut the ends. So first of all, I'm gonna put more of this hair like up. I don't need all this. I think I just cut too much. And it looks like it will easily blend back up in your hair, you know, even though it's kind of short. I think it'll still blend easily back up in the hair. And say, I don't want that part today, the middle part. That easily blends back up. And I mean, it's giving a little bit of what it's supposed to. Like, that's cute. That part is cute right there. Let me see. So ignore the rest of my hair. That's cute. That's a nice little curl. Like, so what I did was I kind of took the middle up and don't have that much in the middle. And of course, this side isn't going to cooperate like the other side is. So I took that middle part up. So cute, I like it. I feel like, I mean, I thought I could achieve this without cutting my hair, but when your hair is longer, it won't like give you that dramatic like curl, like if y'all know what I'm talking about. So what y'all think? Y'all let me know. I am going to relax my hair and give y'all an update on how it looks with my hair down, because like I said, my hair is pretty dirty at the moment and it needs to be washed and relaxed. But how did I do? Y'all tell me, how did I do? It's long on this side. And y'all comment down below. I know this girl was getting like backlash for doing this, but I said, hey, yeah, y'all know it's hair. It'll grow back. Lord, my naps in the back. It'll grow back. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know if y'all would ever do this or not. I know some girls like, girl, you out here cutting your edges, and I'm trying to grow mine. I totally understand. My edges are short too. That's why I was like, let me pull down the little hair and see if I can give that dramatic effect. But y'all comment down below if y'all like this video, and y'all let me know how I did. All right, you guys, be sure to follow me on Instagram as well, and give me a like, and make sure you subscribe so I can continue bringing y'all great content. All right, thanks for watching, you guys. Bye.